Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to define variables in Python. So if you want to define a variable in Python, just you have to first write the you can see you have to just write the variable name. For example, I am going to make a variable related to height, and then I am going to assign the value 15. Okay, and here I'm going to make a new variable weight, and then I'm going to assign the value 24. Okay, so the height will be 1.5, 5 point, let's suppose 1.55. Okay, now these two values assigned to these variable. Now I can use these variable. For example, if you want to multiply these two variable, just write height HEIGHT static WEIGHT weight. Okay, so let's try this one. So basically 24 multiplied by 155 will be 37. So the main thing is you can define variables in Python using this equal sign, and the value will be on right side and the variable will be on left side. And this equals to means assignment. It denotes test equality. So hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.